I'm Marna and I have happy mail. I am overwhelmed with how sweet and kind and generous that the doll community is on YouTube. And today I'm giving a big shout out to Unicorn Rainbows Toys and Dolls. I don't know why they don't have 1 million subscribers or more. It is a wonderful channel, and I'm not just saying that because I have a box in front of me. I love their DIY crafts, their American Girl doll videos. They have Na Na Na, they have Monster High, they do openings, blind bags, and other items. They're fun. It's a mother-daughter team, and you should go check out their channel. We have a link below. And before I get too excited and forget to say the words, thank you. What a surprise. Let me say them now. All right, so I got to tell you a little something about this package. So Darren and I have a place in South Dakota that's very secluded that we still visit. But here's the thing about that address. When we moved there, they didn't even know how to give us an address because we were so far out. Our mailbox was 6.5 miles, actually just over 6.5 miles from our front door. So we can get our mail every day. Anyway, so they just pull the address out of their hat, and later, after we were there about, I don't know, 10 years, 9 years, they actually put us on the map. They actually named the dirt road into our place, and I forgot to change that on my PayPal account. So this package went first to the address that is no longer even on radar. Actually it is. It's a tiny town and they're kind of funny there. But at any rate, we got it all straightened out, and I just want to say thank you for resending because it was not inexpensive to do. So my hand's in here and I'm excited and I'm pulling it out and I can't wait to see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what do we have here? Oh, wow. Look at this. This is a beautiful Belle Disney porcelain doll. How beautiful is she? She has her original booklet that I don't have my glasses on, but it actually has little pages that she's reading. Look at her face and earrings and necklace. Oh my, look at those gloved hands. It is painted on, but I don't mind that because you can see the fingers. A lot of times with the old Barbie gloves, they were actually supposed to be elegant, but they were actually mittens, so I kind of like that. Look at those shoes and bloomers. Oh, and the layers and layers of beautiful dress. Look at the wig. You know, porcelain dolls don't always have these nice wigs, and that hairstyle. Thank you so much. What a beautiful surprise. This doll will go into my collection. I will have it and I will think of you. Did not realize there's more. Oh my, there's more. Oh, you got to see this card and these stickers and a really nice note. Wow. Oh, look, this is their logo on YouTube. How cute is that? Monster High stickers. Oh, wow. And what I love is it's a troll. You know I love the troll dolls. There's, oh, look at this girl. I bet you, I'm wondering, if they made that dress. That's the sort of things they might do. Boy, that is cute, cute, cute. Wait, there's more. Oh, wow, look at this girl. And since this dress is a lot like that dress, I am going to bet, I bet that's a circle dress. Oh, that is so cute. I love purple. Yep, they made those little dresses. Oh my, how cute. And I think this is padding? Yes. Wow. I have to say, the card means as much as each of these dolls. Thank you. Hi, Marn. I just wanted to send a couple of things to show how appreciative I am of you and your kindness. I know it's not necessary, but it's fun. We found Belle at Goodwill, and she hasn't been cleaned. I cleaned Frankie and degreased her hair. The other doll is a boxy girl, and she has been cleaned too. When they first came out, I wasn't a fan, but we found a few at the second hand, and now I think they're cute. I thought you could add one to your collection. My daughter and I made some simple dresses for them so they wouldn't come to you nude. Ha ha. Your friends, Unicorn Rainbows, toys and dolls. And these dresses were made by them. These will go in my collection. I thought this was a boxy girl. And I am thrilled you made these dresses. That just makes the gift that much more special to me. Thank you so much. I just love it. And again, so cute. Thank you for watching. Take a click over to Unicorn Rainbow's Toys and Dolls channel. You're gonna like it and you're gonna love them. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe.